Alrighty, y'all, so we're in our third edition of Let's Go by the Mic. Let's go.
Hey, Mark.
Hey.
Hey, so you mentioned a Lene kit earlier. What is that? Can you show it to me?
Yeah, I actually have one right here. So the Lene kit, it's a sensory tool. It actually has 36 vials of different aromas found in coffee. And for the Q grader exam, it's divided up into 4 categories. And the aromas in here, you experience all throughout coffee roasting. So from green to roasting, and then as well as some negative qualities of coffee called taints. But yeah, this is a really important tool if you're trying to take the Q, because you develop that muscle memory to remember what the aromas smell like, and it'll put you on the path to success to pass that portion of the exam.